Hey, it's me again. Notice there's one tire left to do. Tire and rim. Come over here. There's a tire and rim. It's different. It's a Fall Guy rim on my truck. And everybody knows about the brush guard and all that. Kind of close. Well, there's a better look. I'm getting further. It's getting there. I got 3 of the wheels on. And hopefully a bumper soon. And maybe some grilled pieces and bezels. And if anybody can give me any information where to find a cheap, decent roll bar that'll look close to what's on the show, it'd be real helpful. Can't find it anywhere. I got a friend of mine that's got something in the works, but I ain't gonna disclose that. I'll let him do that. But anyway, that's as far as my truck's gotten so far. Yes, it does need a bedside. That's the only thing about it. It does need a new bedside put on it, new tailgate, and bumper on the back. Oh, but I do kind of get the whip antenna, and I found the one I need through a friend of mine that helped me. But anyway, this is as far as I've gotten this summer. Things just ain't been well this year with anybody, so this is as good as it gets for now. But you can see I'm still working on it. And no, it's been too much rainy weather to do the front bearings and stuff and hubs. So anyway, we're just now starting to get warm weather. I think now's the time I'm gonna, here in a couple days probably, get that knocked out in the front. Anyway, I decided to share what it looks like with 3 of the wheels on. And now that it only has 1 of the Hummer wheels left on it, on the rear. Anyway, decided to show this. Alright, bye.